Okay, hello everyone, I'm back. The two videos earlier today showcased a couple of the items I made, some of the new stuff, some of them trying out. Most of it all came from our Epic box this month from December, except for the biscuits. So yeah, pretty much used the box today, which is cool. So first thing I did was spinach and artichoke with our quick biscuits, and I put it in our square steamer, made the dip stuff underneath, and then dropped in the biscuits and then baked it. I probably baked it a little lower and slower. You probably could bake it a little faster. But there you go. So I'm happy with it. It looks like how I thought it would look. Obviously, you take out a little bit and then, dip in the rest of the sauce or whatever you want to do. And then I made the Italian meatballs. And since Victor doesn't like meatballs, I've also put it on chicken thighs for him. But there we go. It's a different color for the meatballs because it's bison, so don't worry about that. But there you go. And if you follow the recipe, you can actually make 32 meatballs with it, but that's a new seasoning. It's in the Epic box for December as a taste test, and then it's coming in January. And then I made the rosé sauce, which tastes delicious, but super easy to make. Milk or non-milk product with some tomato sauce. Put the rosé in and then microwave it for a few minutes. It's not vegan. It does have milk products in it, just the heads up. But the Italian seasoning is, you could use vegan ground protein of some sort, or as I did, throw it on to like some form of vegetable or whatever you want. And then last is I made some gingerbread cookies. So I used our gingerbread mix and made cookies with that. I will show the video later. It's a pretty easy recipe. 1 egg, quarter cup of melted coconut oil, quarter cup of molasses or honey, mix with the product, make it into balls, squish down with a bit of sugar if you want, and boom, gingerbread cookies. So there we go. So there you are. That's what I made today. Thank you all for watching, or if you're watching later, great. So anyway, have a happy Sunday. And a reminder, the event is happening starting on the 26th on. If you want to be a part of that, let me know. I'll get you in the group. If you want to have your own cooking class to get ready for the new season, hit me up. If you have, Tammy, products that you need to use up because you have host benefits, get on. You have. So I think you're the only one for December. Everyone else is for January, so you have some flexibility with that. And what else? Today's the last day for the shipping special. And then there's still specials on a few of the collections. But I showcased it in the part 2 of the meal prep. It has all of the specials that are going on. Or just hit me up and I can walk you through everything. Otherwise, have an awesome Sunday, and I'll talk to y'all soon.